The digital age has granted great growth opportunities for e-commerce niches catered to people's convenience and comfort at home. Products in the fields of home improvement, home office equipment, video, conference, etc. are incredibly sought after. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at the 10 niche e-commerce business ideas you can make money on. Yeah, you heard it right. Number 1. Pet products. Ever since dogs and cats dominated the internet, no one can doubt how much we love our furry friends. Thus, the growing popularity of products for pets in recent years comes as no surprise. As more consumers treat their pets like family members, they find more ways to keep them healthy and happy. Lots of pet owners now feed them organic, natural food. A survey even discovered that 43.6% of people asked are pickier about what their pets eat than their own. Along with organic foods, pet wellness products are on a rise too. From supplements to help improve gut health to CBD oils that reduce anxiety symptoms to cat toothbrushes, you'll find a lot of useful things to sell for pet lovers. Number 2. Subscription. From newspaper and milk delivery to gym memberships, the subscription model is not a new thing. However, combined with e-commerce and digitalization, it now provides consumers with even greater convenience while saving time and effort for store owners. Buyers can enjoy a stress-free buying experience, free shipping, and attractive deals while subscribing to buy from e-commerce brands. On the owner's end, subscription means a sustainable number of loyal customers to generate recurring revenues. Their stores can grow without sales and marketing efforts to acquire new customers. The business model has witnessed a booming increase in number over the past decades. The e-commerce niche is reported to double in size in 5 years from 2011 to 2016. COVID-19 and the lockdown even fueled it to go further, according to Forbes. Number 3. Home office equipment. Ever since the social lockdown, consumers have been buying for the comfort of working at home. As you can see in the graph, the trend is at its peak during the COVID years. However, there has been a decline recently, probably because many countries have lifted quarantine restrictions and people are freer to engage in outdoor activities. Nevertheless, we still regard this e-commerce niche to grow substantially in the near future due to digitalization and the work from home trend. Also, the increasing popularity of freelance work may contribute to this growth. A report by Motor Intelligence suggests that the home office market's CAGR, compound annual growth rate, will increase by 5.5% by 2025. Number 4. Re-commerce. Re-commerce means selling items that are previously owned, both new or used. Some common re-commerce products include clothing, electronic goods, books, jewelry, etc. High-end products are what people seek the most since this is a chance to get decent products at much lower prices. Meanwhile, rental clothing is a business model sharing many similarities with re-commerce clothing. Number 5. Eco-friendly products. This is indeed a broad niche covering a wide range of fields from cosmetics to home goods to fashion to travel stuff. The thing is, this e-commerce niche has been popular for a while, and you may wonder if it's still profitable. Subjectively, we have good reasons to be positive. Eco-friendliness is everywhere on the internet. Big publishers and government media talk about it all the time. What's more, there have been tons of sustainability movements in a wide range of fields, from heavy industries to fashion to vegan eating. Number 6. Health and wellness products. According to Global Newsshire, the health and wellness food market is expected to grow by 9.2% and reach $162.09 billion by 2026. Because health and fitness remain 2022's top New Year resolutions, it's easy to predict the ongoing demand for this e-commerce niche. On the other hand, this is a big e-commerce niche already, and there is probably an abundance of competitors in the market. The only chances to stand out is always catching up with the latest trends or offering unique products that nobody has. Since this huge niche still has lots of untouched territories, there's still plenty of room for newcomers in 2022. Number 7. Educational toys. School closure and the COVID-19 lockdown have pushed parents to play and learn with their homeschooled children. Educational toys which improve essential skills and make parents teaching easier are a popular choice. Since schools keep being on and off, and in 2022, due to the Omicron, also, learning toys are proven to benefit children's development greatly. The trend is expected to last in 2022 and beyond. Number 8. Online course. Online learning has become easier than ever. Also, thanks to COVID-19, people have been so accustomed to this learning model, which is both cost-effective and convenient. According to the New York Times, online courses aren't just a student thing. More and more adults are also turning to learning online and catch up with the fast-paced economic and digitalized world. Also, since the career span is getting longer, even adults older and above 50 years old still seek chances for learning. Number 9. POD products, print on demand. POD products are printed only after the orders are placed. Store owners therefore do not need to invest in inventory or work with suppliers to sell. Due to its flexibility and low risk, POD attracts a ton of newcomers to the e-commerce game in recent years. You may have found lots of POD guide videos on YouTube, which shows how popular POD is. Number 10. Beauty products for men. A survey conducted by GWI found that beauty and cosmetics have been the fastest growing interest among male buyers ever since 2018, which reached its peak in 2020. The growing demand for male beauty products starts during the lockdown period, when men spend more time focusing on their wellness and exploring different products and routines. Also, people, especially the Generation Z, are being more open-minded about men wearing cosmetics. This change in mindset is influenced by world-famous Asian celebrities and trending TikTokers who challenge beauty standards and pursue gender-neutral looks. And that's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section down below. I hope that you found this video interesting, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the following video with some more of the latest updates, and until then, stay tuned!